Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to change the battery in the new Mercedes key. As you can see here, we have the key for my car, the new Mercedes C-Class, and I think that many new Mercedes models have this kind of key, so I hope this will be helpful. Now, first thing that you need to do is press this to get this physical key out. And now it's very easy because with it you can open this cover. So there we go. And here is the battery. You can now again use this to open the cover for the battery. And now you have the battery here, Varta CR2032. And I actually changed the battery already yesterday, so I'm just filming this to show you how it looks and how it's done. So now, of course, you would remove the battery and put the new one, and then you just need to put back this cover, which is very easy, and so is with this one. So you put it like this, and now all you need to do is put back the physical key, and you are all set. I hope you like this video. Give it a like, and yeah, I hope this was useful. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and see you on the next video. Bye bye.